seen so many times people make this mistake. It's not just about bringing your eyeshadow or eyeliner higher or having a lot of lid space. The key is to cover this tiny section of the lid right above the crease. When you look straight ahead with your eyes open, there is a small section of skin that naturally folds. You see this section? That's the part that needs to go into shadow first. You need to bring your eyeshadow or eyeliner a little bit higher than your eye. Not just randomly, but in a way that makes sense for your eye shape. And as soon as you blend this area, it transforms the whole look. So this is how it has to be. And from there, you build a shape, whether it's smokey eyes or cut crease. Today I'm doing cut crease. So first I'm dragging the line downward. And then I'm extending another line from the lash line and connecting them. And just like that. Now I'm blending everything out. Now I'm setting it with eyeshadows to make it more intense and long-lasting. You can also switch up the color if you want. The pencil is just a base for the look. I'm gonna add some red color. A little bit concealer to the inner corner. Some lighter shadows on the top. We can leave it like this or add some sparkles on the top. I'm gonna add some lashes. This is the final result without eyelashes on, and here is with eyelashes on. Now I'm gonna go watch Super Bowl with my boyfriend. Hope this video helps. Let me know in the comments.